Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add hyperlinks to a project in Canva. So watch this video to know how you can do so and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also, turn on notifications to get notified every time we post. It is quite easy to add hyperlinks to your project on Canva. By adding hyperlinks, when someone clicks on the part where the hyperlink is included, the person will be directed to the website or any link that is added in the section. After you finalized your project and let's suppose you want to add hyperlink to this text, what you can do is select this text and click on the three lines. Then you can see an option that says link, which appears like a drop down. You can click on this, and from here you can enter any link that you want. Just copy and paste your link, and that's it. The hyperlink has been added. And now if anyone clicks on this text, the person will be directed to the page that you have attached. You can also add hyperlinks to any of the elements that is in your project. It is the same process. You click on any of the elements and then click on the link, and you can enter the link in this area. So that's how you can add hyperlinks to your project on Canva. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.